Pun. Today we will talk about Mintlify. Mintlify is a tool for developers to develop their documentations. Normally, developers have to write it their own by website or anything which is a tool, but Mintlify can help them to develop it directly from their code. That means they can use their code and it will convert it to documentation. The documentation support in different programming language, many popular programming language, Mintlify support. Today we will cover functions and features, its role in software development lifecycle, its benefits, drawbacks, and competitors. Now, Fo will talk about its features and functions.
Thank you, Pun. And here is the function and feature of Minify. The first one is interactive documentation. Minify allows you to embed live code and sample and alter your element directly into your Markdown file. And to create the interactive documentation, first step is writing your document in Markdown. And the next step, to embed the live code example, you can use Minify custom component within the Markdown. And the second one is auto-generate documentation. Minify automatically pass your code, comment, and structure, generating documentation that is always up to date. And to use this feature, first step is click on Minify Doc Writer at the sidebar menu, and then select the code that you want, and then click Generate Doc. Okay, for the third one is theme customization. You can easily customize the appearance of your Minify documentation to your project, and by using the pre-built theme or creating your own style. And here is how to use. Choose pre-built theme or define your own customization by editing the configuration file. For the next one is version control integration. Minify integrate version control system like GitHub, ensuring that your documentation remains in sync with your code base. And here is how to use. After initializing your Minify project, you can link it with your GitHub repository during the setup or in the minify.config.js file. Okay. As you push change to your GitHub repository, Minify automatically update to your documentation and reflect the last change. And the last feature is collaboration. Minify allows the multiple users to collaborate on document in real time. And here is how to use. And you can share the document link with your team member. And then the team member will edit the document on your platform. And to enable the collaboration, go to the Minify dashboard and invite the team member. And next, Tata will talk about the role in software development lifecycle.
Thank you for demo part, and then we will talk about Mintlify in SDLC or software development lifecycle. In software development lifecycle, we have 6 steps. First is planning. In Mintlify, we don't have a directly role in it. We just have we can view the previous documentation that created by Mintlify, be the guideline to next project or the current project that you are working with. And next is analysis. You can create a documentation to make and ensure to stakeholders to understand the same way to set all aspect to the goal. And next is design is to create the documentation to make our developer to understand the same goal of the software. And next is implementation. Mintlify will auto-generate document from your code and then you can send it to tester or users. And next is testing. Mintlify will create a documentation to let the testers to understand how to use the software. I'll show you step by step what is your software. And the last part is deploy and maintenance. After you finish all your software, you can create documentation by Mintlify to let the users to know how to use your program step by step. And next, we will talk about benefit.
Thank you, Tata, for talking about the ACL of our Mintlify. Now we talk about the benefit of Mintlify. The first benefit of Mintlify is improving document quality, ensures consistent and detailed projects documentation, make all documents using the same uniform and formatting. The second one is accelerating team onboarding, helps new developers grasp code and process faster by providing all necessary resource, workflow, and process in one place. So the newcomer of the team members will quickly understand what's going on in the team projects. The third one is user-friendly documentation creation that allow normal user to easy write documentation in Markdown and also provide the write with preview function that will show the real time of the document after modifying the code. The fourth one is the customization and design flexibility. Minify also offer the default of the pre-built template that will allow user to make the design and also they can make their own design by using customized options that allow they to customize the document by themselves. The last one is the AI chat reference. Mintify allow users to have a conversation with the own Mintify AI chatbot that will improve the credibility of the document by getting the information and also the reference quickly. Next, Sui will talk about the drawbacks.
I'm Sui. I will talk about drawback. The first one is connectivity. Minify require the internet connection. The second one, over reliance. If developer always depend on using tool, when they have to do it by themselves, they might not be able to do it. And the last one, integration with existing tool. Minify require additional setup and also configuration time. Now, let Pan talk about competitor.
Thank you, Sui, for explaining about the drawback. Now I'll talk about the competitor. The first competitor is README. README is the provider of interactive API documentation. It lets developers and users to test the feature directly. This makes it compete with the Mintlify user-friendly function. Now on to the next one, the Docusaurus. Docusaurus is open source and customizable. It appeals to the people who want more control. The third one is Gitbook. Gitbook shines for team collaboration fields. It makes it very easy for multiple people to work together on the same documentations. The last one is Swagger. Swagger is the leader API documentation, especially REST APIs. It provides extensive tools which rival Mintlify auto-generate documentations. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it and have a great day.